Having a good intro in your videos can help you have consistency in your videos and also help in branding of your videos and channel. The videos you record with your phone can be turned into impressive intros for the videos you share on YouTube and other social networks with the help of an intro maker app. We have shortlisted some of the best intro making apps you can use to create an intro. So let's take a closer look at their features. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to Technology World Hasib and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Using this intro creator, you can easily create professional intros, outros, ending cards for your YT channel, gaming, stream, or social media. You can explore their wide range of styles such as cool, 3D, game, cute, magic, a spot logo, YT, glitch, vlog, aesthetic, magic, wizard, cooking, etc. Key features: 500 preset templates helps you make intros within 30 seconds. Real-time editing and preview, projects save automatically for re-edit. Over 120 no copyright sound effects. It lets you add text, images, graphics, etc. 120 plus awesome fonts for choice. 20 plus animations for making stunning intros. 100 plus subscribe button stickers for creators. Use subscribe buttons to get followers for your channel. Hundreds of animated stickers for choice. The app keeps updating new templates, music and stickers, so don't hesitate to download Intro Maker. The second app in this list is Intro Video Maker. Create an engaging intro video clip that can serve as a perfect start to your every video with an Intro Maker. If you don't have experience in text animation, then this is the right software for you because it has animated text templates and animated backgrounds and much more. The best part about this intro maker is that you don't need to be a video editor to start using it. It provides you with everything that you need. Key features: stunning collection of ready-made templates, editing features are available. One can add images, text, etc. Intros can be exported in MP4 format without watermark. The app constantly updates new templates. If you don't have video editing experience and simply want an intro maker tool to make your videos stand out from the rest, try this intro maker. Simply choose from 1000 plus promo video templates and create your own video easily. Key features: it offers stunning templates for all kinds of videos. It offers video editing tools. Add text with multiple fonts and text effects. Add music from the provided library or from the gallery. Export video in MP4 or GIF. Share on social media. The fourth app I have selected for you is PixelFlow. PixelFlow is a fantastic app to create intros for videos. This app can be downloaded from the Play Store. PixelFlow app helps you create engaging and professional YouTube intro video, title animation, clips or text on video animation for your YouTube channel, gaming streams or social media platforms just in minutes. It is a right solution to edit text animations, animated video posts, and making YouTube intro. It has well-designed, high-quality intro templates which are easily customizable with all types of backgrounds, fonts, and music. Key features: 500 plus well-designed templates, 200 plus awesome text animations, 2000 plus fantastic fonts. It lets you create both intros and outros. There are templates available for different occasions. Text, position, and color are customizable. It has 15 plus stunning backgrounds. This app can be used by the video content creators as YouTube intro maker and animated social media poster maker. PixelFlow is a very simple app with a beautiful and clean user interface. The last app in this list is Pinreel. With Pinreel, you can easily create fun animated videos, create unique social media video content in seconds, simply drag and drop animated text, images, logos, stickers, and effects. Pinreel is an animated video maker with everything you need to make engaging video content. Video animation has never been easier. Key features: 200 plus animated video templates, tap and edit video elements live, move, rotate, scale, and combine different elements, animated text, edit fonts, color, text styles, and text effects, photo animation with image cutouts and transitions, animated stickers. With Pinreel, everyone is an animated video maker. So, these were some of the best free intro maker apps for YouTube without watermarks. I hope with these tools you can create awesome intros for your YouTube channel. Also, make sure to share this on social media so that it can reach more people. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Technology World Hasib, like the video, share the video, and be sure to express your opinion in the comments section. Thanks.